Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to fix the script hook v critical error in GTA 5 after the newest update. It's very easy to fix, luckily, so watch the video to figure out how. First thing you need to do is download the file from the video description link. It's 50 megabytes. Use WinRAR or 7-zip to unpack it, or you can just open it in Windows 11 like this. This is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get 4 different files. From here, you want to put this into your GTA 5 folder. Now, this is gonna be the same for GTA 5, or if you used something other than Steam to install it, the files are exactly the same. So don't worry about that. And after you found the Grand Theft Auto 5 folder, you just copy and paste them over. If it says replace the files in the destination, click OK. And that is it. That's all you gotta do. Now you just start Grand Theft Auto 5 normally and it will work. If this video helped you, leave the video a like. If it didn't help you, leave the video a comment and let me know how.